So I'm making this video for Tidradio TID customer service after I received this replacement radio for original H3 radio I purchased that went out in flames. That's this radio. When I put it on charge, it literally started melting after like half an hour, and it actually caught fire. And if I wasn't there to put out the fire, like entire apartment would burn out. So yeah, this radio went in flames, and of course also it doesn't work, so affected the radio as well. So I received a replacement radio for this burnt radio yesterday, and on my very unpleasant surprise, this radio is not transmitting at all. So it's all the same programming as original radio. So this is the repeater, like very close to my home, and from here I can hit this repeater no problem, but this radio is not hitting the repeater at all. For example, this radio, like Quansheng UEK5, on the same repeater, so same repeater, Torvu, same transmitting and receiving frequency. So it's hitting the repeater no problem. This radio, nothing. So not just the repeater, I put the I have a SVR/power meter, and I measure the power, like output power on the radio. It's zero. There is no transmit power. It can receive. It receives, but it doesn't transmit. For example, I'm gonna put it on weather station. So it's receiving. It's receiving. Also, if I put it on that same repeater, Torvu, and if I hit that repeater with this radio, it's going to receive on Tidradio. You see? It's receiving on Tidradio. But if I do vice versa, nothing. So now I'm going to show you the power meter. Okay, there we go. So transmitting zero. Anything I choose, let's say FRS channel 1, any frequency, nothing, zero. VHF, zero, nothing, no transmitting power at all, like zero transmitting power, zero transmitting. I'm going to do the same thing with the other radio. Okay, so it's connected. So this is the repair. 7 watts on UHF. On FRS1, almost 7 watts. On VHF, almost 6 watts. And nothing on this radio. So this radio is not transmitting at all. You send me a replacement which is defective out of the box. I can show you the serial number. I hope you have it in your records. So that's the serial number and everything. That's the radio you sent me that I received yesterday as a replacement, and it's not transmitting at all. So this video for now is going to be private video, so only I can see it and the people with the link, and that's gonna be you. So if I don't get a solution immediately, so just the radio, I don't need a charger, I don't need cables, I don't need anything. I need a working radio, for God's sake, for the third time. I need a working radio that works fine, that works normally, that doesn't burn, that transmits and receives. So if I don't get that immediately, like immediate resolution to this problem, I'm going to make this video public, and I'm going to add more stuff to this video and put it on the as a public on the YouTube, so everyone in the world can see the quality of the Tidradio H3. I hope you understand me. Thank you.